Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, premium sound system, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2016 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety locks. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.